students. Today I wanted to show you how to mark an assignment as done. So we'll take a look at how to post a comment in Google Classroom. So what you need to do, it says read the instructions. Number 1, click on this link. Number 2, watch the video. Okay, so you click on the link and open this, but you also see that your work is missing. So what you need to do is, after you are finished doing this quiz, you need to close it and come back and mark it as done. If you don't mark it as done, I don't see that it is finished. So let's get started here. I'm going to watch the video, and so I will watch the video. I'm not going to play that right now, but you guys will watch that. And after I'm watching the video, I am going to answer the questions. So it wants my first and last name. Okay. And I'm going to scroll down. I've watched the video. Number 1, what do I use to type my answer? Well, I use a keyboard. And number 2, how do I send my answer? I'm going to click on the arrow to send it. Now, what does this arrow do? This arrow goes back. And finally, where do I click to answer the question? So do I click here on 702, or do I click on Add Class Comment? So to answer the question, I'm going to have to click on Add Class Comment right here. Now I submit. And once I've submitted, I can view my score. Let's see how I did. Oh, there's no points for this one. There's a mistake with this one. That's okay. I think I got it all right. So now that I'm done with this, what I have to do is I have to go up on top here and close it, and close it again, and that takes me back to the first page I was on. I did it, so now I can mark it as done, and I don't have to worry about attaching it. That's okay. I just mark it as done. So it is done, I finished, and I can even write, I did it, okay, and then I send it. Okay, so that is how you mark your work as done.